push it? Okay.
You just go in at it? What are you hiding over there for? Got him.
202 Sheriff, I'm doing a 360 walk around. I do have an audible alarm inside.
Go to the back doors?
Yeah, I did, yeah. There's no signs of forced entry or anything like that. There's a camera with a light on right now, but other than that, I don't see any footprints. Yeah, we'll go in. Well, it's a bat, not a bird.
Oh, okay, that's what's causing the problem.
Come on, birdie. Go on.
Batman bragging.
Yeah. She's coming close. Come on, get out of here. You're so close, bat. Okay, I'm not gonna wait all day for this bat. Get out of here. Go on. Go. There.
Oh man, that was scary.